Let's talk about Stalker out of video memory fix that in a simple and calm way will go step by step.
But don't let the anomalies or technical glitches win just yet. We're diving deep into comprehensive troubleshooting, tips and proven solutions designed to help you conquer those pesky memory. Get ready to optimize your system, fix your Stalker errors, and reclaim your rightful place in the zone, fully prepared for any challenge that awaits. First things first, let's cover the basics. Start by ensuring your system meets Stalker's minimum requirements and that your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for memory issues. Next, verify the integrity of your game files through your launcher, as corrupted data can wreak havoc. Sometimes a simple system restart can magically clear up temporary memory glitches too. The Chornobyl zone is breathtaking, but incredibly resource-intensive. Dive into Stalker's graphical options and start by reducing texture quality, shadow details, or draw distance. Lowering your overall resolution even slightly can significantly free up video memory and prevent crashes. Experiment with these settings step by step to find the perfect balance between visual fidelity and stable performance. If in-game adjustments aren't enough, we need to look at your operating system. Increase your virtual memory or page file size to give your system a larger buffer. When RAM is maxed out, make sure to close all unnecessary background applications, browser tabs, and overlays that might be consuming precious RAM and poor resources. Keeping your Windows and drivers at their very latest versions is also crucial, as critical performance improvements are often rolled out. For the more seasoned Stalkers, direct management can be key to overcoming these issues. Utilize tools like high afterburner to monitor RAM usage and gently underclock your GPU. If stability is your primary concern, always ensure your system's power plan is set to high performance to prevent any unwanted hardware throttling. During intense gameplay, finally, keep a close eye on Stalker's official patches. The developers are continuously working on optimizations that could resolve these memory issues in future updates.